Hey, do you want 1,000 TikTok followers in minutes? Here is the secret sauce. Unlock TikTok fame with this crazy simple trick. 1,000 followers, no sweat. Are you ready to blow up on TikTok? Follow this hack for instant followers. Listen to what I'm about to say. This is going to blow your mind. So, first of all, you have to go and download the TikTok app. Then you're going, well, let's start with the acronym of FUN. It's follow, unfollow, and nurture. It's a step by step system using fun. Number one, follow famous people, famous profiles. Search for popular TikTok profiles like Charlie Amelio. And why? Well, these profiles have a massive following. So it's going to increase your visibility. Okay? So follow these people right now. While we're doing this together, take a look. Now you open TikTok, you go to the search bar, you type in a famous name and you hit follow. Unfollow and follow again. Unfollow the profiles you just followed after waiting 10 seconds. Why? Well, this trick puts you back on the radar of people who follow these famous profiles. So go to your profile, click on following, unfollow the famous profiles, wait 10 seconds, then follow them again. Nurture the process. Repeat the follow unfollow cycle 3 times. Why? Well, consistency is the key. This method boosts your chances of being noticed. Now, you follow the profiles. Remember, wait 10 seconds, unfollow, wait another 10 seconds, do it again, and then do it 3 times. Okay? The bonus tips: patience is a virtue. Don't rush the process. TikTok might block you if you go too fast. So check your inbox, watch your follower count growing by checking your inbox for new followers. Conclusion: celebrate! Enjoy your new followers and keep engaging with your audience. Next steps. Do you want some more tips? Check out our video on getting 300,000 views in 2 days. Go out there and make some fun with your TikTok dreams and continue to have fun.